Hello viewers, welcome. Today we will be talking about calculating the cube of a particular value. In the previous discussion or in the previous video, we have talked about calculating the cube of a two-digit number. In today's discussion, we will be talking about calculating the cube of a particular number using the concept of Vedic maths, and here the case or the examples or the discussion of the values which we will be taking for calculation is for those values which are close to a base value. Base value, what do you mean by a base value? Base value is actually any value which is close to powers of 10. Powers of 10 means 10, 100, 1000. So suppose we talk about calculating the cube of 9 or 101 or like something जो कि इससे close हो, क्योंकि when we talk about taking a closer value, it means we have a particular trick which will actually help us out in making that calculation a bit easier. So suppose 99 हो गया, 98 हो गया, जो यहाँ पर अगर ये values close होंगे तो that will be actually helpful using this particular concept. Okay. And the sutra that is used for this particular calculation is Yavadunam Tavaduni Varga Cha Yojiyet, which means that lessen by deficiency and add to its square. So the examples we have taken is 104. As you can make it out कि जब 104 की बात करते हैं तो this value is close to 100 and it is 4 more. 1005 मैंने लिया है. Here we can take the base value as 1000 and how much it is above the base value? It is 5 more than the base value. Next coming to कि calculating the cube of 9. 9 is closest to 10 and it is 1 less. 96 की बात करें so it is close to 100 and it is 4 deficient. And this particular value is close to 1000 and it is 3 deficient. So as I have told you in the discussion that यहाँ पर जब भी हम make out करेंगे so it will be the multiples of powers of 10. So powers of 10, 10, 100, 1000, so depending upon. Second thing we will be talking about close to that base value. Close to that base value, you see into the nature of these numbers. These numbers are really very small. Okay, so for this particular concept we would be moving on with the calculations. Now the formula that will be used for calculation is base value plus minus 3 into deviation. This will be the first portion. The second portion will be 3 into deviation square and the third portion will be deviation cube. Now let's come up to the terminology that what do you mean by the base value. Now if we take the first example, we'll take the example and with relative to that particular example get to know what are these particular terms. Now when we talk about base value is actually the complete value in powers of 10. Powers of 10 means अगर हम इस particular value को देखें तो this particular number is closest to 100. Okay, 100 हमने क्यों लिया है? Because here we are talking about powers of 10. So the base value here is 100. Okay, now this number is how much off from that particular base value. कितना deviation है, either plus or minus. So when we took up this particular number is having a deviation of plus more. Make it a point that मैंने यहाँ plus minus लिखा है. इसका मतलब अगर वो number कम होगा तो logically we have to use a negative sign, and if it is above that particular base value, so logically we have to use a plus sign. Okay, next thing we have to make out how many number of places are there. So when we talk about number of places means इस particular 100 में जो कि हमारा base value है उसमें कितने number of zeros हैं? So we have 2 number of zeros. So let's start with the calculations. We have 104 and this 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Okay, now let's come to the first part. First part says base value. So the base value is 100 plus. क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ above the base value है, so we are going to take plus sign. Plus 3 times of deviation. What is the deviation over here? That is 4. This is the first part. Second part is 3 times of deviation square. Deviation 4 है, deviation का square हो गया. And the third part is deviation cube. Deviation is 4, deviation का हमने cube make out कर लिया. So we have 100 plus 12 oblique 16 3s are 48 oblique 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this is 112, 48, 64. Right. Now making out कि how the number of places has to be identified. हमने make out किया था कि 100 has 2 zeros, तो इसका मतलब number of places are actually 2. And what this number of places mean that for each and every particular segment starting from the right hand side we have to leave down 2 spaces. यहाँ 2 डिजिट होना चाहिए, यहाँ 2 डिजिट होना चाहिए, बाकी जितना भी एक्सेस होगा वो हमारा LHS में आ जाएगा. वन थिंग आई नीड टू कोट कि सपोज अगर यहाँ सिर्फ 8 होता, इन केस सपोज अगर ये 2 क्यूब होता और ऐसा कुछ होता है जिससे हमारा सिर्फ इस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन में सिर्फ अगर 8 आता, तो उस केस में बिकॉज वी हैव टू रिटेन 2 प्लेसेस दैट वैल्यू वुड हैव बिकम 08. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस वेयर दीज नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस हैव टू बी कंसिडर्ड. सो आवर फाइनल आंसर इज 1124864. So this was actually a big value whose cube had to be calculated, and with the help of simple calculation we are able to make it out. So we have 1124864. Now taking up the next example. Now the next example is 1005 का cube. 1005 का cube, it means 1000 plus 5 whole cube, right? So what is the base value? Base value is 1000. Deviation from the base value, it is above. Above means plus, and how much above? It is 5 above. Next, how many places are there in the base value in reference to the number of zeros? 3. So each portion is going to have 3 places. Now utilizing the formula, we have base value plus 3 times of deviation oblique 3 times of square of deviation oblique deviation cube. Right. So we have 1000 plus 15. 5 5s are 25, 5 cube will be 125. So we have 1015, 3 2s are 6, 6 and 1 is 7, and 125. Now this was fine till here. Now what we need to make out, number of places in each portion starting from the RHS needs to be 3 places. So we have 1 2 3, 3 places are fine. Here we have 1 2 3. See, we don't have a third value over here, and if we don't have a third value we need to write it as 075, and whatever excess we have, we are not at all concerned about the extreme left position. So finally our answer is 1015075 So this was actually a big calculation, but with the help of breaking that particular number with respect to the closest value, we are able to calculate this very easily. So we have 1015075 So both these examples which we have discussed were above the base value, and the meaning of the above the base value means whatever values we had, so it was above 100, it was above 1000. So when we talked about above, so it was all about taking the formula with a plus sign. Okay, now let's come up to calculating the cube of 9. Now this particular value can be written as 10 minus 1 whole cube. So the base value here is 10 and the deviation is minus 1. Next, number of places, 10 has 1 0. So the number of places in the value is going to be single place. Now going with the calculation using the formula, the base value is 10. Now as we have discussed, when we were talking about the values above the base value, we took up with the positive sign, but when we are having the values below the base value, there we need to take up with the minus sign. So it is minus 3 into how much deviation? We have a deviation of 1. This is the first part. 3 into square of deviation oblique deviation cube, right? So we have 10 minus 3, this will be 3 and this will be minus 1. 10 minus 3 is 7, this will be 3 and this is minus 1. Now, what is the next issue? The next issue is that if we have a negative sign in any of the portion, we have to logically convert it into positive sign. And for converting into positive sign, we have to borrow it from the very left value. So, we have this value as negative. To convert it into positive, we are borrowing 1 from here. The moment we borrow 1 from here, it will be minus 1 and this 1 will be defined as 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9, 3 minus 1 will be 2 and this will be remaining as it is. So this is copied as it is. So we have the answer as 729. Right? Now taking the next example, that is cube of 96. Now cube of 96 means this value is closest to 100, so that can be written as 100 minus 4 whole cube, right? So the base value here is 100, deviation is minus 4, number of places is 2. Using the formula, base value is 100 minus 3 into 4, 3 into square of deviation oblique deviation cube. So we have 100 minus 12, so that will be 3 into 16. This will be 16 4s are 64. Okay, so 100 minus 12, that will be 88. 16 3s are 48 and this is minus 64. Right, now we have done till here. Again we have a negative sign, we need to convert this negative into positive. For that we need to borrow 1 from here, we are borrowing 1 from here, so it will be minus 1. 48 will be converted to 47 and this 1 will be written as 100, so it will be like this, so it will be 36. So we have 88, 47 and 36. The next thing we need to observe is how many places we need at each portion. We need 2 places. So here we have 2, here we have 2, here we are not at all bothered. So we don't have any excess, no overflow, so no further calculation has to be done and the answer is 884736. So we have 884736. So coming up to the next, that is 997. So this is your homework. So logically I'll just explain you how you need to proceed. 997, this number is closest to 1000. So that will be 1000 minus 3 whole cube. So just you need to write down this particular formula. So that will be 1000 minus 3 into deviation. So that will be deviation is also 3. So that will be 3 into minus 3 whole square oblique minus 3 whole cube. The only thing you need to ensure is that while doing the calculation, this value is going to be logically positive because we have minus 3 square, so that has to be positive. This is obviously going to be positive. This value will come out to be negative. The only thing you need to make sure is that you need to convert this particular negative value into positive by borrowing a particular specific value depending upon from here, so that it can be converted into a positive value. The moment you borrow a particular value from the extreme, from the left hand side, you need to subtract that particular value. This is the only thing you need to make out. And summing up the discussion, we have taken 4 particular example and 1 is your home task. So that was 104. 104 was close to 100. So it was like 100 plus 4. So once you do it, so it actually goes into, just you need to remember this particular formula. Okay, next that was 1005, so that was 1000 plus 5. Another thing you need to make sure is that the number of places, because if the number of places are less, obviously we have to insert a 0 over there. Next was like 9, so 9 was 10 minus 1 whole cube. Next was 96, so 96 was 100 minus 4 whole cube. And the next was 997, so that was 1000 minus 3 whole cube. So coming back, why I had taken up the issue that it has to be close to the base value. All because when we are talking about close to a base value, these values are going to be relatively small, and relatively small will actually assist us to compute these values, because here we are calculating the deviation of that, we are calculating the cube of the deviation, and this trick will only be helpful when these actually deviation are actually smaller. So that was all about today's discussion. Thanks a lot.